Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Minecraft trailer step by step. Start by finding the official trailer source and trusted mirror sites, then download a clean copy and scan for malware. Next, extract relevant clips, organize them by theme, and pick background music that matches mood and tempo. Finally, export at the right resolution and test playback on multiple devices to ensure smooth visuals and sound. Begin with the download phase by checking official channels or well-known mirrors for the trailer file. Verify the file name, size, and hash when possible, and run a quick antivirus scan before opening. If the trailer is embedded, use a reputable downloader that preserves quality and metadata. Save the original file in a dedicated folder so you can revert to it if edits go wrong or if you need to re-export later. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. I found The Simple Path to Wealth a surprisingly practical read that helps you think differently about money and priorities, and it pairs oddly well with planning projects like trailer creation. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you want a great companion read. Now let's get back to the video. Editing should be efficient and focused on storytelling and pacing. Arrange your clips to build momentum, trim dead space, and add simple transitions where necessary. Use music to guide edits, and normalize audio so no clip is too loud or quiet. When exporting, choose a common codec and resolution suitable for your platform, keeping file size reasonable while preserving visual quality for smoother streaming and sharing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.